Hey girlfriends, as you know, our goal at YBF Beauty has always been to help our BFFs everywhere. You each exude beautiful energy in your ability to be unique and beautiful. Our GG Gorgeous Glowing Cream is the perfect paraben-free foundation formula to reflect your inner beauty and match your outer glowing beauty. I love it when I can look at my skin and see it glow. How about you? Are you looking for smooth, supple, and youthful looking skin? Our gorgeous glowing foundation comes in 4 beautiful shades to boost your complexion while softening the look of our imperfections. It allows you to achieve beautiful, radiant, healthy looking skin each and every day with a sheer to full coverage. You can see I've put it on one side and not the other. Beautiful, buildable coverage that's non-greasy, oil-free formula, and water-based to help protect and prevent moisture loss, never sacrificing hydration. Our YBF Beautiful Cream is long-lasting, and you'll see it goes a long way. Enjoy the light diffusing emulsion that bounces light off our fine lines, wrinkles, and crinkles, and improves discoloration and any imperfections, creating glowing skin that exudes your inner sparkle. Now, girlfriend, get glowing. Glow it up, kitten.